Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock people on Facebook Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger. Once you open Facebook Messenger, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to click on privacy, and here you need to click on the second option, that is block accounts. Click on that option, and here you can find all your blocked accounts. So I'm going to select the first one. So here you can see the option of unblock message and calls. Once you click on that option, you are able to call that person and send message on to the messenger, and click on unblock. So now you can see that this person is unblocked onto the messenger. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can unblock people on Facebook Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.